Today, this is the second lecture on set theory, and we will start with types of sets. So, today's topic is types of sets. So, first type is empty set. So, what do you mean by empty set? A set carrying no elements. Okay, a set which has no element. वो सभी सेट जिसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है उसको हम एम्प्टी सेट कहेंगे. ठीक है. A set is said to be empty or null. Null set भी कहते हैं. और void. Void भी कहते हैं. Void set. If it has no element and it is denoted by, if it has no element and it is denoted by phi. So इसको हम डिनोट कैसे करते हैं? फाई से. ठीक है. एम्प्टी सेट को हम डिनोट कैसे करते हैं? फाई से. रोस्टर फॉर्म में हम लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं, लाइक दिस, 2 curly brackets. This is in roster form. Let's take an example. This is the example: x belonging to real number such that x squared is equals to minus 2. Now we know that x squared is equals to minus 2 means x is equals to minus of root over of minus 2, right? Root over of minus 2. Now, is root under of minus 2 is a real number? No. ये real number तो नहीं है. Not a real number. So therefore, this set will be phi. Okay. Next, singleton set. Singleton set. A set consisting of a single. From the word itself it is very clear. Word से ही clear हो जा रहा है कि singleton का मतलब क्या होने वाला है. So a set consisting of a single element is called a singleton set. For example, x belonging to natural number such that x is more than 5 and less than 7. So what will be this? Only 6. So this is a singleton set. Okay. Is this clear? X belonging to natural number such that x is greater than 5 but less than 7. इसके अंदर कौन से एलिमेंट्स आने वाले हैं? नेचुरल नंबर है ना, तो इसलिए सिर्फ 6 ही होगा, 6. सो ये सिंगलटन सेट हो. नेक्स्ट इज फाइनाइट सेट. फाइनाइट सेट क्या है? जो सेट कुछ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स पे खत्म हो जा रहे हैं. चलते ही नहीं जा रहे। जैसे कि नेचुरल नंबर जो सेट है, सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स, ये एक इनफाइनाइट सेट है। इसका अंत कहाँ किसी को नहीं पता, इन्फिनिटी तक जाता है, वन से चलते ही रहता है इन्फिनिटी तक, इट गोज अप टू इन्फिनिटी। बट if I say, or if I give you a set like this, all x, or the set of all x such that x is a prime number, this is also an infinite set, but this one, prime number less than 10। अब इसका आंसर क्या होने वाला है? व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 2 3 5 7, दैट्स इट। ये चार एलिमेंट्स ही होने वाले हैं। तो एक जगह ये शुरू हो रहा है और एक जगह ये खत्म हो रहा है, ठीक है ना? तो ये हो गया एक फाइनाइट सेट। इंटीजर्स, सेट ऑफ ऑल इंटीजर्स और सेट ऑफ ऑल रियल नंबर्स, इसका ना तो शुरू का पता है ना तो अंत का पता है। ये शुरू कहीं माइनस इंफिनिटी से हो रहा है और अंत प्लस इंफिनिटी। है ना? सो ये हो गया इनफाइनाइट सेट। ओके, बहुत ही इजी है, कुछ ऐसा है नहीं। नेक्स्ट, कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ अ फाइनाइट सेट। Now, what do you mean by cardinal number of a finite set or cardinal number? Cardinal number means number of elements that a finite set carries. Okay. जैसे कि यहाँ पर कार्डिनल नंबर क्या होगा? 4। ओके, चार एलिमेंट्स है। तो इसको हम डिनोट करते हैं n, ब्रैकेट में सेट का नाम, मान लीजिए a, it is denoted by n, then in the bracket number of the set name, and then the number of elements will be the answer. Okay. जैसे मान लीजिए एक सेट दिया आपको A, the set of all x such that x is a multiple of 7 and x less than 100. X belongs to natural number. Okay, so नेचुरल नंबर लिखना जरूरी है। अगर यहाँ पर इंटीजर लिख देता तो फिर ये इनफाइनाइट सेट हो जाता। लेस देन 100 में ना, तो वो इन्फिनिटी, वो पीछे माइनस वाले सब ही लेने पड़ते इसमें, इसलिए नेचुरल नंबर। सो x is the multiple of 7 and x less than 100 such that x belongs to natural number. So इसका हमको कार्डिनल नंबर निकालना है। ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड द कार्डिनल नंबर। क्या होने क्या वाला है इसका आंसर? ऐसे करते रहेंगे? ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना। हम लोग को डायरेक्टली पता है कि 13 इंटू 791, 14 इंटू 798, मतलब 14 होना चाहिए, है ना। इसका अगर रोस्टर फॉर्म लिखना होगा तो हम लोग लिखेंगे, यही हो जाएगा रोस्टर फॉर्म, 77, देन 84, 91, 98, ये हो जाएगा रोस्टर फॉर्म। और देखिए कितना एलिमेंट्स होना चाहिए, 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, see 14, 14 into 798, so 14 elements. Okay, so n of a is equals to 14. This is the answer. We'll do questions definitely. Next, equivalent set. Equivalent set. What do you mean by equivalent sets? If two finite sets have their cardinal numbers equal, then we call those sets to be equivalent. Okay, that means two finite sets, let them be A and B. मान लीजिए उनको A और B, दो फाइनाइट सेट है A एंड B। अगर कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ A और कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ B इक्वल है, तो हम A एंड B, A और B को इक्विवेलेंट सेट कहेंगे। तो हम A और B को इक्विवेलेंट सेट कहेंगे। Okay, so this is the thing for equivalent sets. Next is equal set. Now this is equivalent and this is equal. For two sets to be equal, then every element of A has to be a member of B and every element of B has to be a member of A. That means the elements of both the sets also has to be equal, has to be same, has to be same. The elements of A and B has to be same. A और B के elements same होने चाहिए, ठीक है, सेम होने चाहिए। एग्जाम्पल, ए का सेट मान लीजिए 1 2 3 5 6 और बी का सेट मान लीजिए 6 5 3 2 1। क्या ए इज इक्वल्स टू बी है? हाँ है, a is equal to b. Yes, obviously we can write this, a is equal to b, right? But if the set, let's say a is equals to 1 2 3 and b is equals to 3 2, then a is not equal to b. 1 जो है वो a का मेंबर है लेकिन b का नहीं है, ठीक है, तो इसलिए a is not equal to b. नेक्स्ट, अगर दो सेट इक्वल होंगे तो उनके कार्डिनल नंबर सेम होंगे। अगर दो सेट इक्वल है तो उनके कार्डिनल नंबर सेम होने चाहिए। दैट मीन्स all equal sets are equivalent set also, but all equivalent sets are not equal set. All equivalent sets are not equal sets. Okay, but all equal sets are equivalent sets. For example, let's say A, B, C, and B 1, 2, 3 of n of A क्या है 3. What is n of B? 3. That means n of A is equal to n of B. n of A और n of B equal है. So A and B are equivalent sets. But are they equal? No. A is not equal to B. They are not equal sets, but they are equivalent sets as their cardinal numbers are same. Okay. I hope that you have got this point. Let's do some questions then. Which of the following sets are empty sets? 1. The set of all x such that x square minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is rational. Second, b is equals to the set of all x such that x is an even prime number. 3. C is equals to the set of all x such that x ranges from 4 to 5 and x belongs to an natural number. And 4, set D is equals to the set of all x such that x squared is equals to 25 and x is an odd integer. Pause the video and try these questions. Okay, I hope that you have done this. So let's start with this. X squared minus 3 is equals to 0, x squared is equals to 3, x is equals to root 3, and that is rational. No, that is irrational. So therefore set A is equals to 5. Next, B, x is an even prime number. Yes, there is an even prime number, right? 2. So B is equals to 2. It is not not an empty set. It is not an empty set. It is a singleton set. Next, C, 4 to 5, a natural number. No, C is 5 then. This question. X squared is equals to 25. That means x is equals to plus minus 5. And plus minus 5 is an odd integer. No problem is there. So that means D will be minus 5 comma 5. So it is not 5. So that means A and C are correct options. Means 1 and 3. Okay. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 will be the answer. Easy question. Next question. Question 2. Find the pairs of equal sets from the following sets, if any. So 1, A is equals to 0. Next, B, the set of all x such that x greater than 15 and x less than 5. 3, C, the set of all x such that x minus 5 is equals to 0. 4, D, the set of all x such that x square is equals to 25. 5, E, the set of all x such that x is an integral root, positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. Okay, x square minus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. So this is the question. Attempt this question, pausing the video, and then I will discuss the answer. I hope that you have done this. Let's discuss the answer. Here, x greater than 15 and x less than 5 in set B. Now, is there any number that is greater than 15 and less than 5? It's not possible, right? So, B is equals to 5. Next is C. What will be C? X minus 5 is equals to 0 means x is equals to 5. So, C is a singleton set having 5. Now, D. D, x square means x is equals to plus minus 5. That means D will be minus 5 and plus 5. What will be E? This is the equation that you have to solve. 3 5s are 15. X square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equals to 0. X minus 5 plus 3 x minus 5 is equals to 0. X plus 3 and x minus 5, which means x is minus 3 or x is equals to 5. तो पॉजिटिव रूट, सो दिस वन पॉजिटिव रूट का है तो इसलिए x इज इक्वल्स टू 5 ही आंसर होगा. इसको हम सॉल्व करने के बाद मिडटर्म फैक्टराइजेशन से हमने इसको सॉल्व किया. दैट मीन्स सेट E इज इक्वल्स टू 5. नाउ लेट्स सी. So E and C are equal. Okay, E and C are equal. C and E are equal sets. C and E are equal sets. Are there any equivalent sets also? Let's see. A is a singleton. Means n of A is equals to 1. Now n of C is also equals to 1. Right? And n of E is also equal to 1. That means A, C and E. A, C and E are equivalent sets. Okay, I hope that it is clear. Next question. Which of the following pairs of sets are equal? Part 1, A is equals to the set of all x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. In the word loyal. And B, the set of all x such that x is a letter of the word alloy. And second part, set A is equals to the set of all x such that x belongs to z and x squared is less than equals to 8. Set B is equals to x such that x belongs to real number and x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Try these questions. Okay, so let's try to solve these questions. This will be in rooster form loyal, so L-O-Y-A, right? And for alloy, set B will be A-L-O-Y. See, all the elements are equal, सभी elements equal निकल रहे हैं. So that means A is equals to B. Option 1, correct. Let's see about option 2. X belonging to integer and x squared less than equals to 8. X squared less than equals to 8. So क्या है x squared less than equals to 8 में? देखते हैं. देखिए, अगर x को हम प्लस माइनस 3 लेते हैं, if we take x as plus minus 3, then x squared would be equals to 9. That means we have to take plus minus 2 as the highest one. Okay, so plus minus 2 से ज्यादा हम नहीं ले सकते, right? So क्योंकि प्लस माइनस 2 करेंगे तो x स्क्वायर आएगा 4, राइट? तो जो कि 8 से कम है, तो यहीं तक ही होगा. तो -2 -1 0 1 2 ये हो गया सेट A. Now this is the set A. We found set A. Now let's talk about set B. Again, a quadratic equation. We have to solve this. X square minus 4x plus 3. 3 ones are 3. So x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x minus 3 minus 1 x minus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 1 into x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 3. So that means set B will carry 1 and 3. Absolutely not equal. neither the cardinal numbers, means they are not equivalent even. Okay, so A is not equals to, this is the answer. I hope that it is clear. Next question. State which of the following sets are finite and which are infinite. Which of the following sets are finite and which are infinite? Set A is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to z and x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Second, B is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to z and x squared is even. And x squared is even. 3. C is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to z and x squared is equals to 36. D, the set of all x such that x belongs to z and x squared is greater than, sorry, not x squared, x is greater than minus 10. Now this is the question. Try to solve it. Okay. So here again an equation. Let's try to solve the equation. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. X minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 2 x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 2 or x is equals to 3. Now this is the answer for set A. So set A will be equal to 2 comma 3. Set A is equal to 2 comma 3. Now x squared is even. Is there any limitation? It's for z. See, 4, then 16, then 36. All the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, all the even numbers will have even squares, right? So x squared is even, that means it is the set of, actually set of all even numbers. ये कुछ नहीं, set of all even numbers ही है. x जो है वो set of all even numbers है, तभी x square even होगा, right? So set of all even numbers, is it a finite set or an infinite set? Obviously infinite set. ये एक infinite set ही है ना, set of all even numbers. Next, x belongs to z, integers. X square is equals to 36. X square is equals to 36 means x is equals to plus minus 6. सो सी के अंदर दो एलिमेंट्स हो गए, -6 और +6। नेक्स्ट ये वाला, x ग्रेटर देन -10, मतलब -9, -8, -7 सो ऑन डॉट डॉट डॉट, ये तो एक इनफाइनाइट सेट हो गया, इनफाइनाइट सेट, इनफाइनाइट सेट है। सो हमें क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था कि which of the following are finite and which of the following are infinite. So let's see the answer. Then A and C are finite. A and C are finite. B and D are infinite. Right? Okay, so this is the answer. Next question. Which of the following sets are equal? Which of the following sets are equal? A is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to natural number x less than 3. B 1, 2. C 3, 1. D the set of all x such that x belongs to natural number x is odd x less than 5. X less than 5. E and F. Now we have to find that which of the following sets are equal. Let's do it. X belong to n and x less than 3 will carry 1, 2. इसमें 1 और 2 ही होंगे, लेस देन 3 है और नेचुरल नंबर है, नेचुरल नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं. So A and B are equal. This T, x is odd less than 5 and x is natural number, that means 1, 3, that's it. Less than 5 not equal, less than equal to 5. So C and D are equal. Now let's see about E and F. Now E is actually 1, 2 and F is actually 1, 3. So E is equal to A and B and C and D actually equal to F. So we have found the answer. A is equal to B is equal to E and C is equal to D is equal to F. This is one set of equal sets and this is another set of equal sets. Okay. I hope that you have got the answer. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Okay, so next question is this. Show that the set of letters needed to spell cataract and the set of letters needed to spell trapped are equal. Can you do this question? Very easy, right? So for cataract, it will be C A T A common R A again C again T again. Okay, this. And for tract, it will be T R A C. Same C A T R C A T R same. So therefore the sets are equal. Very easy questions. Next question. Which of the following sets are equal? Which of the following sets are equal? This is the question. 1. A is equals to 1, 2, 3. B is equals to x belonging to R such that x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. C 1, 2, 2, 3. D x belonging to R such that x square minus 6x square plus 11x x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equals to 0. Easy questions. So options are given and you have to choose which sets are equal. A is already done, so start with B. What will be the set B? Let's see. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. 1 into 1. X square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. X minus 1 minus 1 x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 1. Yes, absolutely. This is the square formula. So x is equals to 1. Okay. So x b set is 1. Next, see about the C. So it is 1, 2, 3. So A and C are equal. Let's see about D. Let's check D. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equals to C. Is equals to 0. So let's see that whether 1 satisfies this equation or not. So 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6 is equals to 0. So 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 is equals to 0. 12 minus 12 is equals to 0. Sorry, here should not be 0. Okay. So 12 minus 12 is equals to 0. Therefore 1 is a root. So definitely set D will carry 1. Let's see for the other roots. Let's check whether 2 satisfies it or not. So 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 11x minus 6. So 2 cube is 8 minus 6 into 4 24 plus 11 into 2. So 11 into 2 22 minus 6. Right? 2 cube 8, 6 4 the 24, 11 2 the 22 minus 6. Yeah. So 22 plus 8. So 30 minus 30. Yes, this is also 0. So 2 is a root. So therefore D also has 2. Let's check with 3. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. So it will be 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 6. 3 cube is 27 minus 3 square 9, 9 6 are 54 minus 33 minus 6. Right? बहुत ही आसान है. Okay, so 33 and 27, if we add 27 plus 33 and minus 54 and minus 6, it will be 60 minus 60. So again 0. So therefore 3 is a root. Right? Okay. So D also has 3. So D is also 1, 2, 3. A is also 1, 2, 3. So therefore A, C and D are equal. So A, C and D are equal sets. Okay. Okay. Fine. Easy question. Next. Last question from this part. Which of the following sets are empty, finite and infinite? Okay. So let's check the questions. Set of all set of all even natural numbers divisible by 5. All even natural numbers divisible by 5. How many? Infinite. This is an infinite set, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and so on. Infinite set, right? Next. Set of all even prime numbers. This we have already done. Set of all even prime numbers, 2. Singleton set. Now another question also this was given. Next, set of all x such that x square minus 2 is equals to 0 and x is rational. So x square is equals to 2, x is equals to root 2 plus minus, so it is irrational. So therefore this set is void or empty set. Next, the set of all x such that x is a natural number. X is the natural number, x less than 8, and simultaneously x greater than 12. Is it possible that x will be less than 8 and greater than 12? No. So 5. Next, the set of all x such that x is a point common to any parallel lines. Common to any parallel lines. Can there be any point common to any parallel line? No, right? So this set is also void set. 5. Next, set of concentric circles in a plane. How many concentric circles can be drawn in a plane? Infinite. Here, this is the radius. You can keep on drawing, right? You can draw one in between this also. Between this also. So, it's an infinite set, right? Next. Set of letters of the English alphabet. Set of letters of the English alphabet. It's a finite set. It's a finite set. Next. X belongs to natural number and x is greater than 5. X belongs to natural number, x greater than 5. Means 5 to infinity. So it's an infinite set. Next. X belongs to natural number such that x is less than 200. What will be the answer? It's a finite set. Had it been rational number, real number, rational number, or integer, it would have been infinite number. But since it is only natural number, therefore it is finite set. अगर यहाँ पर रियल नंबर होते या रैशनल नंबर होता या इंटीजर्स होता तो वो इनफाइनाइट सेट हो जाता, ठीक है ना. इंटीजर्स में भी माइनस इन्फिनिटी से स्टार्ट हो जाता फिर, और सो ऑन चल जाता 200 पे खत्म हो जाता. सो ये एक इनफाइनाइट सेट हो जाता अगर हम इंटीजर्स को लेते, रैशनल नंबर्स को लेते या रियल नंबर्स को लेते. लेकिन क्योंकि यहाँ पर नेचुरल नंबर को लिया है, या अगर होल नंबर भी रहता तो ये फाइनाइट सेट ही होगा. ओके, देन फॉर होल नंबर इट इज फाइनाइट. X belongs to integer and x less than 5. See here, it now became infinite set. That is what I was talking about. Next, x belongs to real number and x is in the range of 0 to 1. So it will be what? How many numbers are there between 0 to 1? How many real numbers are there between 0 to 1? Infinite. So this is an infinite set. Okay. I hope that these things are clear. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is the subset. Subsets. अभी हम लोग सबसेट स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. ओके ओके, सबसेट्स. नाउ व्हाट डज दिस वर्ड सबसेट मीन? सबसेट का मतलब क्या होता है? मान लीजिए ए सेट है 1 2 3 4 और एक बी सेट लिया है हमने. We have taken another B set, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So see here, every element of A is actually contained in B, right? All the elements of A not only belongs to A but also belongs to B, and B is the largest set. So we can write that A is contained in B. A is contained in B. A का जो सेट है वो B में ऑलरेडी है, वो B में है, तो A पूरा का पूरा B में है. ठीक, so A is contained in B. So what is the definition of subset? For two sets A and B, if every element of A is an element of B, see here, यहाँ पर देखिए, all the elements of A are there in B. A के सभी elements B में होने चाहिए. Then A is called a subset of B. तभी हम A को क्या कहेंगे कि वो एक सबसेट है B का. अगर A के सभी एलिमेंट्स B में है तो हम A को B का सबसेट कह सकते हैं. अगर एक भी एलिमेंट इधर उधर निकला तो हम नहीं कह सकते. मान लीजिए अगर यहाँ पर मैं 11 दे दूं, फिर A जो है वो सबसेट नहीं होगा B का. ठीक है, तो लिखना कैसे है? A is a subset of B symbol wise. Yes. ओके ये है लिखने का तरीका सिंबल वाइज. ओके इसका मतलब ही है कि A इज अ सबसेट ऑफ B. इसका मतलब क्या है? A इज अ सबसेट ऑफ B. A क्या है? सबसेट है B का. इसका मतलब यही है. ओके आई होप दैट यू हैव गॉट दिस. So A is a subset of B if A belonging to A implies that A also belongs to B. A अगर सबसेट है B का तो एक एलिमेंट जो A में है वो implies that A also belongs to B. तो वो एलिमेंट A वो B में भी होना चाहिए. अगर वो A में है तो वो B में भी होना चाहिए. तभी तो A क्या होगा? सबसेट होगा B का. ठीक है. अगर हम इसको थोड़ा उल्टा करके बोले then what will happen? We can write that B contains A. We had written here A is contained in B, but here we are writing that B contains A, or B is a superset. B is a superset of A. We can write this. B is a superset of A. In symbols, we can write that B is a superset of A, and the symbol is this. It means B is the superset of A. Okay. If A is not a subset of B, then we will write A is not a subset of B. Okay, cross over the subset symbol. बहुत ही आसान है समझना. ओके यहाँ तक क्लियर हो जाएगा, हो गया होगा आशा करता हूँ. आई होप दैट till now it is clear. Moving on, every set, important point, every set is a subset of itself. Okay, every set is a subset of itself. मतलब मान लीजिए सेट है A 1 2 3, तो A ये सभी एलिमेंट्स मिलकर जो सेट बनाएंगे वो एक खुद का भी सबसेट होगा. मान लीजिए A 1 2 3 है and B is 1 2 3. A is the equal subset of B. Okay, we can write this. कोई भी सेट खुद का सबसेट होगा ही. ओके कोई भी सेट खुद का सबसेट होगा ही होगा. और जो एम्प्टी सेट है, the empty sets is a subset of every set. जो empty set है वो सभी सेट का सबसेट. फाइव कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं लिया, कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं लिया. फाइव ये सभी सेट का सबसेट होगा. ओके सो फाइव इज द सबसेट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी सेट. These two are called as improper subsets. these two are called as improper subsets. इन दोनों को क्या कहा जाता है? improper subset. And a subset, मान लीजिए subset A of a set B is called a proper set, is called a proper not set, proper subset, is called a proper subset if proper subset of B, proper subset of B if A is not equal to B, if A is not equal to B, मतलब ये वाला केस देखिए यहां पर A is not equal to B, इस केस में हम लोग ऐसे लिखेंगे A is a subset of B, इक्वल नहीं है इसलिए इक्वल टू साइन देने की जरूरत नहीं है. A is a subset of B if A is not equals to B. ओके ये एक प्रॉपर सबसेट है. अगर हम लोग ये देंगे तो इसमें ये वाला केस भी ऐड हो गया, खुद का जो ये वाला केस यहाँ पर खुद का जो केस है. ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं? सिर्फ A तो सबसेट ऑफ, इक्वल नहीं है. Now how to prove two sets are equal. हम कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे कि दो सेट इक्वल है? कैसे प्रूफ करना है कि दो सेट इक्वल होंगे? अगर A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, ये अगर हम किसी भी तरीके से प्रूफ कर दिए then A is equal to B. क्यों ऐसा क्यों है? Why is this so? See, if A is a subset of B, that means every element of A, x belonging to A, implies that x belongs to B, right? जो एलिमेंट A में होंगे वो एलिमेंट B में होने ही चाहिए, तभी तो A is a subset of B. और B is a subset of A, मतलब Y belonging to B implies that Y must belong to A. जो एलिमेंट B में होंगे वो एलिमेंट A में होने चाहिए. तो अगर जो एलिमेंट A में है वो अगर B में है और जो B में है वो A में है, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि दोनों सेट इक्वल है. Both the sets are equal when the element of one set is there, when the element of set A is there in set B and the element of set B is there in set A, that means both the sets are equal. I hope that it is clear. We'll do sums regarding this. So we can write this like, right? Natural number is a subset of whole number. Whole number is a subset of integer. Integer is a subset of rational number. Rational number is a subset of real number, and real number is a subset of complex number, right? And this forms the full number system. Okay, I hope that it is clear. Okay, next point. The total number of subsets of a finite set containing n elements is 2 to the power n. कितना होता है? 2 to the power n. इसका प्रूफ भी बहुत इजी है, लेकिन इस चैप्टर में नहीं होगा. इसका जो प्रूफ है वो परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन से आता है, तो थोड़ी बाद में देखेंगे इसका प्रूफ. उस चैप्टर में देखेंगे, चैप्टर में नहीं. Okay, so the total number of subsets of a finite set containing n elements is 2 to the power n. मान लीजिए A में दो सेट है, तीन एलिमेंट्स है. A में 3 एलिमेंट्स है, 1 2 3. तो A में क्या क्या सबसेट्स हो सकते हैं देखते हैं. एक तो 5 हो सकता है, सबसेट्स 5 हो सकते हैं, और 5 हो सकता है, और 1 2 और 1 3 हो सकता है, और 2 3 हो सकता है, और नेक्स्ट 1 अकेला भी हो सकता है, 2 अकेला भी हो सकता है, 3 अकेला भी हो सकता है, और 1 2 3 भी हो सकता है, और हो गया. सो ये सभी सबसेट्स है एक. these are all subsets of A, right? ना देखिए कैसे निकलता है कि यहाँ पर तो 8 होगा, लेकिन कैसे निकला ये भी थोड़ा देख ही लेते हैं. मान लीजिए 1 2 3. अब दो चांसेस है, 1 को हम ले सकते हैं, 1 को हम नहीं ले सकते. मतलब 1 को हम एक लिए हैं, 1 को नहीं लिए हैं, 1 को लिए हैं, 1 को नहीं लिए. ऐसे दो चांसेस डेवलप करते हैं. ठीक है, 2 को लिया जा सकता है, नहीं लिया जा सकता. 3 को ले रहे हैं, नहीं ले रहे हैं. There are two chances for each and every element, right? We can take one, or we might not take one. We might take two, we might not take two. We might take three, we might not take three. So two chances here, here also two chances, here also two chances. So total 8 ways. Okay, so total 8 ways. So therefore the answer comes as 8. Okay. See here, there is one way we are counting where we are not taking 1, not taking 2, and not taking 3, and that forms the 5. And another one where we are taking 1, taking 2, and taking 3, and that forms the 1 2 3 all pairs. So this is how this number comes as 2 to the power n. Now if there are n elements, then this will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so on n, so 2 to the power n. Okay. So this is how this number has come, 2 to the power n. Else the proof we will see in combination. We will start understand it more in when we do permutations and combinations. Next, what is a power set? What is a power set? The collection or family of all subsets of A is called the power set of A and is denoted by P of A. Okay, the collection or family of all subsets of A is called the power set of A and is denoted by P of A. Let's take an example. Okay, let's take an example. So it is denoted by in this way: P of A is equal to the set of all subsets, the set of all subsets, or the set of all S, such that S is a subset of A. So this is the thing. Let's take an example. A 1, 2, 3. Then what will be the subset of A? We have already done this, right? So it will be 1, first 5, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So this is the thing. So what will be the power set? Power set will be the set of all these sets. Power set will be the set of all these sets. So power set of A is this. Okay. Power set of A is the set of all these sets. All the subsets of A. Okay. So this is the thing for here. Now, what is the universal set? What is universal set? Universal set is that set. It is that set that contains all sets in a given context. Is called the universal set. That is the set that contains all the other sets. Okay, like if we write set of all prime numbers, अगर हम ये example लेते हैं, set of all prime numbers, ये जो set है ये एक इंटीजर सेट का हम कह सकते हैं कि सबसेट होगा. ये जो सेट है मान लीजिए इसको A, so we can write like this: A is a subset of Z. Z का सबसेट ही होगा ना. A is a subset of Z. Z क्या है? सुपर सेट और यूनिवर्सल सेट है. यहाँ Z एक बहुत बड़ा सेट है, एक यूनिवर्सल सेट की तरह बहुत जगह पे काम आएगा. ओके, क्लियर? Okay, this is all for the types of sets. So types of sets we have completed. Next, in the next video, we will start with some problems on types of sets. Today we haven't done much problems on types of sets. आज हम बहुत सारे questions नहीं कर पाए types of sets के अंदर. स्पेशली जो सबसेट, पावर सेट, यूनिवर्सल सेट, ये जो सब टॉपिक्स जो हम लोग लास्ट में कवर किए हैं, उसके अंदर हम बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं कर पाए. तो वो एक छोटा वीडियो होगा, जो अगला वीडियो होगा वही होगा, एक छोटा वीडियो होगा. उसमें हम सभी उसमें हम इन सब टॉपिक्स के ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, और उसके अगले वीडियो से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे ऑन ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट। इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है ये भी, ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट एंड वेन डायग्राम्स। वेन डायग्राम्स थोड़ा बहुत देखेंगे, लेकिन वेन डायग्राम्स का जो मेन क्लास होगा वो इसके अगले वाले क्लास में होगा। जो भी हो, यही है। अभी अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर है, इसके बाद ये दो टॉपिक्स करना बाकी है, उसके बाद सेट थियरी कंप्लीट होगा। ठीक है, तो देख रहे हैं आप लोग कि हम लोग किस तरह से क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करते करते जा रहे हैं। अगर आप वीडियो के साथ साथ क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपका 1-1 घंटे में काम खत्म हो जाएगा, पूरा चैप्टर 3-4 घंटे के अंदर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो बने रहिए, स्टे ट्यून्ड विद दिस चैनल एंड वी विल succeed together. Okay, thank you, bye.